Soundlink FitShape S2, unboxing and setting up the ear impression scanner. The package includes detailed installation instructions, a USB flash drive containing the scanner software, and a magnetic holder for taking ear impressions. 3 different power adapters are also included. Before use, please check that all components are complete and undamaged. Also included are the power supply, the appropriate power cord, and a USB cable for connecting to your computer. First, connect the power supply to the power cord. Then plug the adapter into an power outlet. Next, connect the scanner to power and USB. Then connect it to your computer. Install the scanning software according to the user manual. The 3D scanner can now be turned on. After the software starts, the scanner confirms the successful connection with a movement signal. To calibrate, remove the magnetic calibration plate from the drawer on the left side of the device and place it in the designated position. Then, start the calibration process using the software. Once calibration is complete, the scanner is ready for use. Place the ear impression on the magnetic holder and position it on the scanner base. Start the automatic scanning process in the software. The 3D scan takes about 45 seconds. During the scan, enter the customer's name for accurate identification. Once complete, the 3D model will be available for further review.